Hi, I'm Ava. In this video, we will walk you through the process of adding your videos to the live video channels on WhereTodance.com. You'll need several things in order to get started. First, a registered account on WhereTodance.com. Second, a YouTube channel account. Third, a YouTube video that is publicly accessible. If you don't have all the required items, please pause the video and come back when you're ready. Now that you're ready, log into your WhereTodance.com account. Locate My Account. Click and you should see a drop-down menu. Click Submit Your Video to open the submission form. The first thing you'll want to do is to input the video ID. Navigate to the URL on YouTube of the video. Now, if you want to, you can just copy the entire URL from here, and the form will extract the video ID automatically. It also supports the video ID directly as input. It's located after the letter V and the equals. Next, copy the title from YouTube or type the title now. Next is the YouTube channel ID. Navigate to your channel URL. Once again, the input automatically extracts the channel ID from the URL, or simply copy just the channel ID, whatever is the most convenient. Please note the channel ID is not required. The next field is website. It's also not required. Inputs can be domain, HTTPS, HTTP, also www is okay as well. Notice that if you include a website, the website title is auto-generated. You also have the option to customize the name of the link. Please note it has a 55-character limit. Next, we have our social media inputs. They are the following: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Inputs are able to accept the full URL, domain and user ID, or just the user ID directly. Please note, these are also not required inputs. Next, below that, you will see 4 checkboxes: education, music only, dance lesson, performance. If applicable, please check but only one. It's not required, but it's helpful for users trying to find your videos. Moving on, next it's time to choose your category or dance style. I want to mention here that you can only select one of the options. Your choice is either a major dance category or a single dance style. Now, you might think, for instance, that if you choose a major category over, say, a dance style, that your video will be seen more. However, this is not the case. Dance styles float up to the main category anyway, but they will also display under the dance style live video channel. Example: if I choose waltz, then my video will be found under both the ballroom live video channel and the waltz live video channel. Now let's take a look at what happens if I were to choose just ballroom. Example: if I chose the ballroom major dance category, my video will be displayed on the ballroom live video channel, but the video will not be displayed in any of the dance style live video channels that belong to ballroom. So, it's better to choose the dance style over a major category if possible. Sometimes a video might cover waltz, cha-cha, and rumba in the same video. In that case, I would select the ballroom major dance category. Next, let's cover the publish date and expire date inputs. Please note they are not required. Let me explain how this works. The publish date is for timed videos. Leaving blank will publish immediately upon approval. Let's say it's March 12th, 2024. You can choose March 20th, 2024 as your publish date, and after your video is approved, then your video will not be seen on the live video channel until March 20th, 2024. The expire date is similar, but will no longer display the video after the expire date. Example: today is March 12th, 2014. I choose an expire date of May 27th, 2024. Upon approval, the video will be published as soon as it's approved. But after May 27th, 2024, the video will no longer be displayed on the live video channel. Next, the description field. Please note this field is not required and is currently not used with the live video channel. You're now ready to submit your video. Click the Save button. Your video will now be sent for approval by one of our staff members who will review your video submission request. Now that you submitted your video, you will see the approval status on the main video channel page. Notice the video approval status. It's currently awaiting approval. So let's check the status again and see if it's approved yet. Okay, now that your video is approved, let's take a look at what we can do. First off, now that the video is now live on the live video channel and approved, let's look at some of the controls you have. Let's look under the Click to Edit. Notice your video ID is a link, and when you click it, you can edit your video. You will now notice the Edit form now displays a video preview. If you decided to add additional social media links, you can. You can also toggle the video's published status. Let's give it a try and see if we can unpublish the video. So how can I return to my video controls and get back to this screen again? First, let's navigate to the home page. Next, find and click My Account. Then click Your Video Submissions. Please note, you can add as many videos as you like, there is no limit. All your videos will be displayed here. Finally, the last thing I want to show you how to do is deleting your video altogether from WhereTodance.com. If you wish to remove your video from WhereTodance, it's as simple as a click of the button. See the red button that says delete? Click it. Once complete, your video is no longer on the website. So before we close out this video, the last thing I want to talk about is the ability to remove a video on WhereTodance. You can do this via a removal request. Once completed, the video will be added to a blacklist, and it will be impossible to submit that video by anyone. We won't cover this topic in this video. Stay tuned as we will create a separate video just for this feature. We hope you enjoy this tutorial, and we look forward to your video submissions. Ava, out.